I'm glad to introduce us to you today. It is a factory that produces CNC machines. Firstly, we have advanced production equipment such as CNC machines. These devices are equipped with high-precision imported linear high-quality parts such as imported ball screws and Japanese, ensuring the machining accuracy and surface quality. Secondly, we have an experienced technical team. 其次，我们用 each member has undergone rigorous technical training, proficient in mastering various processing techniques, and they are able to meet the needs of customers, provide professional processing solutions, and maximizing customer satisfaction. In addition, we focus on product quality and cost. We follow rigorous production process from raw material procurement and production process to product. We strictly control and ensure that every component can meet the customer's requirements. In terms of after-sales, we provide one-on-one pre-sales and after-sales service. Timely resolution of customer. Let customers experience our integrity. A factory that provides high-quality CNC machining parts. 提供高品。If you have any needs for parts processing, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to working with you.